everyone, and welcome to another video at Project Jeep Life. So today we're talking about our power setup, and as you may or may not know, we live and travel full-time in our Jeep. So we kind of needed a reliable power system to just charge all our electronics and to run our appliances and stuff. And getting into this, we did not know a lot about power. We weren't the best with electrical, but with the help of some friends, we were able to learn a lot and set this wonderful system up. So we'll talk about that system today with you. It's quite simple. So before I jump in, I just have to tell you that we don't just have one battery, we have two batteries. One is the house battery or the secondary battery or the auxiliary battery, and the second is a portable battery. So we kind of switch between the two and they charge different electronics and appliances respectively. Like each battery charges a different load. Let me also tell you about the power requirements we had to begin with. For example, accessories like our fridge, our diesel heater, phones, cameras, lights and other accessories, which are usually 12 volt DC, we use our house battery or the auxiliary battery to charge all these accessories. And our other appliances such as blender, our laptop and our power tools, which are usually 110, 120 household electrical appliances, we use our portable battery to charge these appliances. So let's get to how we set it up, and just a disclaimer, this is how we set it up and I'll do my best to explain it, but I might miss out on some technical terms and not use them properly, so just have mercy. Be kind. Okay, so what you're looking at here is our secondary battery. It's a 12 volt 100 AH AGM deep cycle battery. We bought our battery at Canadian Tire. We will leave a link in the description if you'd like to take a look at it. Okay, so before we dive into how we install the battery in our Jeep, we're just going to leave the circuit diagram to all the wiring on the screen right now, so you can take a screenshot of it so you can have a reference of what we're talking about. So as you may know, the starter battery is charged by the alternator and our secondary battery receives the excess charge from the starter battery. So this is how we set it up. There's a wire that goes from the positive of the starter battery into this fuse right here. And from the fuse there's another wire that goes and extends all the way to the driver's side, and then conveniently there's a hole located by the driver's side firewall, and it goes through that hole into the cab and goes all the way to where we've placed the secondary battery. So there's that wire we were talking about, and it's actually quite simple. So that wire leads up to a voltage sensitive relay here. And from the voltage sensitive relay, it goes to the positive of our battery, our secondary battery. And then from the negative of our secondary battery, we have a wire that has been grounded to the body of the Jeep. From the positive of the secondary battery, we have a wire that comes to a fuse. And from the fuse, it goes to a kill switch right here. From the kill switch to a fuse block right here, and from the fuse block to our switch panel. So our fridge and our heater are the only appliances that are connected to the switch panel right now. So when we turn the switch on for the heater comes on, and when we turn the switch on for the fridge comes on. We still have 3 more switches that we can make use of. We still don't have it connected to anything. We're thinking of maybe adding some lights or some other accessories in the future. This panel also comes with a 12 volt cigarette lighter outlet and 2 USB ports that we can use to charge our phones, etc., etc. It also shows the voltage of our secondary battery at all times. Okay, so now coming to our second battery, which is a portable battery. The portable battery we have is the Jackery 240 Explorer. It's pure sine wave lithium battery. We've seen this particular battery on YouTube a lot, so we went ahead and we got it, and it's been working pretty fine so far. And it's pretty simple. It charges either with our 12-volt outlet in the Jeep. So when we're driving, we'll just plug it into the 12-volt outlet, either in the front, the factory outlet, or we can even plug it in on our switch panel that we showed you earlier, and then it just charges that way. Or we also have another option where we can charge it with our solar panels, and I believe it charges in about 5 hours. It reaches full charge on the solar panels. This is the solar panel we use to charge our portable battery. We got it on Amazon. Again, we leave all the links in the description for you to take a look at. It's called Dokio. So this is 100 watts semi-flexible solar panel. So it comes like this, and then you just open it up, and then you can pop it wherever you want and charge your battery. I'm not sure if you can see it, but this solar panel comes with an SA pin, and it also came with its own charge controller and some cables, and you can use those cables and charge your secondary battery as well. So we do, on some occasions like this, when we're stationary, we do use these solar panels to charge our secondary battery. To charge the portable battery, we had to get something that was SAE to the female of the cigarette lighter, and then we have the factory cable that the Jackery comes with. So we plug it in like that, and then you plug this into the input, and you plug this into the solar, and you can charge it that way. So we had to buy this adapter separately. So in conclusion, we really love our setup. Is it perfect? No, but we really like having the option of both these batteries. We could have left out the portable battery and added an inverter to the secondary battery, but we didn't do that because we didn't want to suck out all that power from our secondary battery for appliances that we may or may not use, or may use just on an occasional basis. I'm glad we have this option of 2 batteries because it provides us with a lot more mobility. Say we're working somewhere away from the Jeep and we need to charge our electronics, that's always an option. So we really love having both these batteries and the setup that we have going on right now. So this video is just to give you an idea of how we've set up power in our Jeep if you're considering this kind of lifestyle or living full-time on the road sort of thing. I hope this video helps. Like this video if you like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more of such outdoor living Jeep related things, and do feel free to leave your questions in the comment section below. We will try to answer them. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks, bye.